You may start approach upon completion of fly around. We copy.
Первый.
So at this point, the Soyuz in that station keeping period, waiting for the go for final approach.
We have indicator mode. How copy? We copy.
Есть у нас загорелся причал. Есть, вышли мы на узел МИМ-2.
Station keeping. We're at MRM2.
And video resumed.
And can you confirm we are at eclipse right now? That will be in 7 minutes. You can turn on the floodlight. It's in. Shall we issue command for approach? Yes, 0354. Copy, and we'll be at the approach mode. We got it. Issued.
So at 8:23, the go for final approach given.
Velocity 190.
Soyuz craft in view from the International Space Station on its final approach towards the Poisk module. Padalka, Kelly, and Kornienko inside, about 160 meters away.
Метров
160 range, 0.6 range rate.
So the crew started their final approach just about a minute or so ahead of their timeline, so that docking might occur a little bit before 8:36, but that the intended target time for this Soyuz craft to dock to the Poisk module. But again, they are at this point on final approach. The Corps' automated rendezvous system engaged. Just about 5 or 6 minutes before docking, the Corps' antenna is going to be retracted. That'll come when the Soyuz is roughly about 41 meters away from its final docking port.
Tally ho. 115 метров, 0,7 скорость.
115. 0.7.
A quick tally-ho from Scott Kelly, the NASA astronaut on board. All three crew members, veteran space flyers, each having done at least one long-duration expedition on board.
Copy.
Under 100 meters away now. Continuing to close in, you can see Poisk right there in the center of your view. Also known as the Mini Research Module 2. It's the docking port that this vehicle is going to be attached to. Once they dock, hooks will be able to close on both the Soyuz and the Poisk module.
85 метров проходим.
85 meters. 0.38 range rate. Watching the target.
Again, that range rate's going to continue to shrink down a little bit, smaller and smaller as they close in. Should be around a tenth of a meter per second right as they're getting ready to dock. Coming up on 75 meters away.
75 meters passing. Inaudible.
Good view there of the Soyuz TMA-16M spacecraft. Passing 70 meters.
65 метров, 0,3 скорость.
65.3 range rate.
Moscow station, space to
60
ground.
meters passing.
Go ahead.
Сереж, вот у меня на вьюере нет изображения.
Sergey, on viewer, I don't see the image.
0.24.
Вообще никакого, да?
None at all?
Да, белый экран.
Yeah, it's just white screen.
То есть везде мы видим на
And it's blank.
символе, на...
So I see it on the symbol and VKO, but not on viewer.
Принято.
Copy.
50 метров дальность.
50 meters range. 0.2 meters per second range rate.
Запустить или что?
Should I?
And now below 50 meters.
Copy.
Сейчас, одну минуточку.
Stand by, Anton.
Альтейры, смотрите, можно
Altair.
пересветку еще раз выдать.
AGC mode is available now.
Попробуй еще пересетку поиграть. Я не хочу отсюда
I
уходить.
don't want to leave this area.
Надо, не надо, ребят.
Don't have to. Don't. No need.
Вот нормально.
It's fine.
45 метров.
45 meters, 0.19 meters per second range.
Soyuz continuing to close in, closing at under 0.2 of a meter per second at this point. Just about to cross the 40-meter threshold. Again, at 41 meters, that core's antenna should be retracting.
Off viewer.
It's done.
And then turn it back on.
And
And
then
then reinitiate.
Another great view of the Soyuz, the station's robotic arm, Canada Arm 2 there in the foreground. Soyuz passing behind.
Antenna is closed.
Как принял, Антон?
Anton, how copy?
Solar rays, beautiful.
And getting confirmation the core's antenna has been retracted.
Doing what you just told me to do. That's why I didn't respond. Copy.
Устойчивый корабль. Никаких замечаний нет.
35 meters, 0.15 range rate.
Cycled it,
The
and I
vehicle
see the
is
image
stable.
back,
No
and I'm
issues.
going
Copy,
to
Altair.
start recording again. Copy, thank you.
метров прошли, 0,14 скорость.
30 meters is the rate, and the range rate 0.14 meters per second.
Just 25 more meters to go.
25 meters is the range, and the range rate is 0.14.
метров, 0,11 скорость.
Range 20, range rate 0.11.
So the rate of closure and the distance between the two vehicles now right at around 1/10 of a meter per second. Coming up on just 20 meters away, you can see Poisk on the docking target there in the center of your view.
The target is a little bit far from the center, but it's within the limits. It is nominal.
Есть на базу РФ. Есть выравнивание по крену, и мишень в центр подходит.
So we have the alignment in roll, and the target is moving to the center.
Все в центре мишень.
The target is in the center.
С подложкой идеально совмещены.
So the crosshairs are stable on the target. Copy. So point 11 is the range rate and it is safe.
Soyuz craft about to get up close and personal with the Poisk module just about 10 meters away.
We are observing the contact. The target.
We'll be standing by for docking confirmation under 10 meters away.
Fine.
Coming up on 5 meters.
Inaudible. So there is mechanical contact. Everything is fine. Okay, the guys, congratulations.
And contact and capture confirmed. The one-year crew has arrived. That coming at 8:33 p.m. Central Time, 8:33 and 41 seconds if you want to get exact, while both vehicles were flying just about 252 statute miles just off the western coast of Colombia.